This is the wrath of God. Our filthy government condones sodomy, divorce, abortion, and yet some still doubt this is the work of the Antichrist.
Can you see Valentine anywhere?
So, my friend, although he is a just God, he is justly
You sure we're out of range?
We're over 1,000 feet away. What's wrong?
What if the calculations are wrong?
You just have to trust me.
Excuse me.
Where are you going? Hey, what's your problem?
Oh, shit. He's leaving. I'm starting the test now. Hope none of these freaks have our SIM cards.